Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this easy, delicious honey garlic chicken and vegetables. This is a cozy one-pan meal, perfect for this time of the year. It's so good. Let's get started. We're using 5 medium gold potatoes for this recipe. We're going to start by cutting each potato into 6 or 8 bite-sized pieces. Make sure the cuts are equally sized, that way they can cook evenly. Once the potatoes are all cut up, we're going to transfer them into a large baking pan. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil all over the potatoes, then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Go ahead and mix everything together, then arrange the potatoes into a single layer. Make sure your oven has been preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to place the potatoes into the oven, then partially roast them for 25 minutes. While the potatoes are roasting, we're going to make a delicious honey garlic sauce. So in this bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Into that, I am adding half a cup of honey, 6 cloves of minced garlic, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Mix everything together very well, then set the mixture aside for later. So by this time, the potatoes should be partially baked, and then over here we have 6 large bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Place the chicken thighs over the potatoes. The reason why we had to pre-bake the potatoes is because potatoes take a longer time to bake compared to chicken. Pour the honey garlic sauce all over the chicken and potatoes. Next, I've gone ahead and sliced up 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to place each slice into each chicken. And with your oven still heated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, place the chicken and potatoes into the oven to bake for 30 minutes. After the chicken and potatoes have baked for 30 minutes, we're going to take them out of the oven, and then we're going to add some broccoli to the chicken and potatoes. We're adding about 2 cups of broccoli. Next, I'm using a baster to baste the chicken and the broccoli with the honey garlic sauce. Make sure you baste everything very well. Once that is done, we're going to place it back into the oven to continue baking for 20 to 25 minutes or until the broccoli have softened. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. The aroma from this meal will make your home smell very good. There is going to be so much delicious sauce to enjoy the chicken with. The potatoes at the bottom of the pan have soaked up the honey garlic sauce, and that makes them taste so good. This is a cozy, delicious meal to make, especially for this time of the year. The honey garlic sauce is very flavorful and it pairs so well with the chicken and potatoes. The chicken is very juicy, tender, packed with flavor, and the potatoes are buttery, soft. They've soaked in the honey garlic sauce. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.